Oh my heart, I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Taas sa mga kamay. Yan. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom. All together, we wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
For their constant support to our spiritual activities, especially to Cardinal Stephen Chow and to our Chancellor, Father Lawrence Lee. And to the Philippine Consulate General, headed by Rally Tejeda, to the Cultural Section, headed by Vice Consul Jose Angelo Manuel, and all the staff of the PCG and the OWA, maraming salamat. Thank you for your assistance and guidance to our kababayan. And to our partners for this Pastaran, LBC. I like to move it. Thank you for your reminding us, LBC, that our OFWs ay mga bituin, mga stars sa kanilang pamilya at sa bayan. And thank you also for the Pacific Ace, Mrs. Virginia Deo and Mona. Gratitude also to Miss Yvonne Choi. God bless your generosity. We would like to express our gratitude to our presider tonight, our former chaplain who started this Misa de Aguinaldo, Father Emil Lim, SBD. He just arrived this noon time para masasamahan tayo sa ating pagdiriwang ng Pasko. Salamat, Father Emil Lim. And thank you also to Sister Cora and the DPCF community, the Catholic Center, who are with us tonight. Thank you for your presence and support. Our altar servers from the DPCM community through Sister Terry Hoxon. Our readers from the Philippine Consulate. Our commentator, Mr. Raul Puentespina. Thank you, Raul. Our extraordinary ministers from the El Shaddai community. Salamat mga kapatid for your help and support. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Our collectors, Star
always, every tuwing Pasko sila. Because simbang gabi, ang Misa de Aguinaldo is